Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox these beautiful healing stones that I purchased from TJ Maxx for only $10. They're not only the stones themselves, small tumbled stones I would say, but also you can see their healing properties, which is pretty interesting. So we will open and look at each of them. If you're interested, stay with me. So that's how the small tumbled stones look, and we will start with amethyst, not the best quality amethyst. Here it is. And amethyst promotes peace and removes negative energies or negative energy. I will give you the reason a little bit later on why I purchased this very kit. There were like 10 of them, and I was looking at every single of them, trying to find out maybe some stone that would speak to me or something of really very good quality that I'm going to like. And I was actually looking for orange calcite of very vibrant orange color, but I found something else. So this is the first stone, amethyst. The next one is aventurine, good for luck and money and gets rid of sad emotions. Here it is. If you follow my channel and you've been watching my video on how the choice of the crystal can describe the character or the personality of people who are drawn to them, I was talking about aventurine, but unfortunately I didn't have a sample, so that's how it looks. This way you know. The next stone is satellite, good for creativity and deep thinking. Nice dark blue colored stone. I really like it. Here it is. I'm not sure why, but I always confuse satellite with kyanite. They're kind of the same. And with lapis lazuli. But to tell you the truth, in one of the kits, I saw a really very nice quality satellite with some pyrite in it. But this kit is not the case. I bought it because of another stone. So the fourth stone is gonna be agate, increases energy and relieves fatigue. You know that agate comes in a variety of colors. It can be in variety of types. It can be blue lace agate. It could be a flower agate. I don't know what kind of agate or what kind of agate this one is, but it is gorgeous. Again, there are kits with even better quality agates. And the next stone is the reason why I purchased this kit and this particular kit, not just only this kit, but this particular kit. Clear quartz, good for meditation and amplifying energy. Actually, when I was looking at this kit, I was like doubting myself if I should buy it or not, because it's not very expensive, $10, but I was thinking what I was going to do with this kit, what I was going to do with small tumble stone. If they were at least, palm stones, I could turn them into the jewelry, but small tumble stones. But when I opened this kit, there were 10 of them, 10 different kits, so I was opening each of them just to see maybe I will find something that would interest me, some good quality crystal. I didn't see anything, and that one was the last one. And when I opened it, I realized right away that I was gonna buy it because of this. This is a garden quartz. It's not just a clear quartz, it's a garden quartz. And garden quartz, I can't say it is rare, but it's not that cheap. And I was trying to purchase it for a long time, and it was pretty expensive in our local geological store. And when I saw this kit with garden quartz, I'm not sure if it was a mistake and they put garden quartz instead of a clear quartz, although this is a variety of a clear quartz, right, over there, or it was done on purpose, but garden quartz finally found me. It is also called lodolite, as far as I remember. Let me double check. Yes, it is called lodolite, or it is also called scenic quartz, because you can see like the whole world inside of it. Look at that. These are inclusions of, let me double check. So I wasn't sure, hematite or chlorite. I would say chlorite over here because it's kind of like green. But yeah, it can have different inclusions. But I love it, I love it. Beautiful. So the reason why I purchased it, it called to me. So the next one is rose quartz, brings love and confidence. I'm not really a fan of rose quartz, and this one is not of the best quality, but it's still very nice. Next one is tiger eye, good for traveling, and it also brings energy. Here it is. So if you're interested in the stones and you want to start your collection, I think this kit is a really good one. And I'm 100% sure that these stones are genuine. This kit is from Geocentral. I've been, collecting crystals for some time, and I've been interested in them since I was 13. So I can, in 19% of the cases, 95 I would say, differentiate the fake and the genuine stones. So these are 100% like legit stones. I cannot say that all of them are of the best quality. No, you can find better ones, but it's a good starter kit, I would say. So this is obsidian. Obsidian provides protection, balance, good fortune, and prosperity. The next one is orange calcite. I really like this color, this bright orange, vibrant color, and that's what I was looking for in other kits. I didn't find it. I will try to purchase the orange calcite of such a juicy orange color, because I really like it. So it balances emotions and removes fear. This one is pretty pale. I wouldn't purchase it on my own if it wasn't in the kit. The next one is Unikite. Promotes self-awareness and self-love. Very interesting stone. I usually do not like solid colored crystals. I prefer transparent ones, or semi-transparent, or the ones with iridescence, better say a dollarescence, right? Here, like this gorgeous moonstone, or labradorescence. So you can see moonstone on me. I really love moonstone, but this unikite is pretty nice. The next one is Dalmatian Jasper. Dalmatian Jasper encourages family loyalties, unity, and strength. Really looks like a Dalmatian. Nice. And the last one is Hematite. Promotes courage and strength. It also helps balancing the, not balancing, but, well, I would say, yeah, balance the blood pressure. If you wear the Hematite bracelet, actually it helped my mom. Maybe because it contains some minerals that helps to controlling blood pressure. That's the word I was looking for, not balancing, controlling blood pressure. I actually didn't know that it has this beautiful sparkles in it. Nice. And it's kind of heavy. Although it's small, it is pretty heavy, I would say. And it's not magnetic. So these are those gorgeous stones, the properties, and that's what I'm going to say. I do not believe that you just take the stone and it will heal you from the diseases that somebody said it would. Like hematite will heal your, it will control your blood pressure forever. But I do believe that some of the stones do contain some components that help with certain issues, such as lepidolite, right? Lepidolite contains lithium, and touching it maybe somehow has an effect on the skin. Maybe it gets absorbed, I don't know, and it does help with the stress and depression, stuff like this. Hematite, what does it contain? Iron or something? How it manages to control blood pressure, because my mom had high blood pressure, and when she started wearing the hematite bracelet in June, I think, it was fine. She stopped taking pills. It helped her a lot. So the same with cornelian. I do not have it with me, but it is known to heal the wounds and abscesses, and it also has some component, radium as far as I remember, that helps with accelerating healing the wounds. Okay, so I believe in this from scientific point of view. So this is it. If you like it, check your local Michaels. Maybe it also carries this gorgeous kit, and it also comes with a bag to put the to keep the stones in. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will also record a video, diamond painting related video. I purchased a few frames, and we are going to frame one of my finished kits. Bye.